Hello again, guys. Well, today I have to fix my studio lights. You see, I'm using this this stative often, with my photo cameras or my mobile. So can say that it's not cheap at all because it was like maybe 50, 60 euros for this piece of crap. Okay, the electronic, it's okay, the lights are fine, no problem with that, but everything what means plastic here, it's awful. In the first phase I use okay, in the first phase I fixed this bottom here, the base of the things, with some epoxy and some metal parts, and you know, it's ugly, but it's very solid, it's working. For a while it was okay, but now the support here for keeping the mobile in place, it's gone. And not only that, but also this one got dismantled and some. Okay, what can I do? What can I do? You know, this kind of metric, this kind of screw, it's special because it's used only by cameras, photo lights, and stuffs like this. I couldn't find a nut, a proper nut with this kind of step, let's call it step. And I had to improvise something. Well, this is a plastic one. It's not so great, but I think we'll do the job. Now, the problem is that I have to fit this in here. You see? I have to make room for this to get in there and then to fix it with some epoxy. To do that, I believe I'll use my Dremel and some according pieces to make room for this guy in here. I don't want to use any kind of heat because anyway this plastic is soft and you know, it's just deforming. And let me see what I can do over here. I need something to cut those plastics, and luckily I have a bunch of stuffs here. Maybe this one. Okay, let's try with that. I don't need too much rotation, RPMs. Let me see. Probably I need to clean this too. Well, pretty elegant. Let's see if it's working. All right. Yes. Well, it's pretty okay. I don't like. It's kind of oxidation there. All right. Let me have some contact spray. Can I access that inside there? Well, it's a pretty high current, so that's why these tracks are getting kind of oxidation. Once in a while it needs to be cleaned. Yeah, something like this. Let's see. Yep. Well, like I said before, this kind of lamps are a mess, a mess. Okay, so let's continue with the support here, with the base here. So I got this nut. Like I said before, it's a special step, it's a special meter for photo and video screws and nuts So I couldn't find anything compatible. You see, I can also use this shoe here, this one. You see, then you can fit a kind of support, and I want to have this also open for eventually other gears. Well, I need some more down there. Yes, let me try to do that with some other kind of threads, maybe like this. Yeah, this is fine. Absolutely okay. I don't want to use hot glue, so I'm gonna have some epoxy instead, which is much better for this purpose because it's solid and keeps everything in place properly. But I have to find a position, something like that maybe. Okay, let's prepare some epoxy. Okay, back in the box. There we go. Yes. Okay, guys, that should be fine. Nothing to do but just wait to cure and hope we'll fix it. Okay, so we are almost done here. You know, this epoxy, it's curing very easy, very fast. And what we have to do now is just to put all these guys together. I believe that's the... In the meantime, we can give a try. Let's plug in. Yeah. Nice and steady. Okay. I believe I have to change this soon. That's just for the beginning, let's call it. We are good. Very good. Indeed. Okay. Let it cool down. And I think we are done. I have this adapter from metric, I don't know, 5 to this kind of photo video screw. And let's say if I want to have my camera, then I just simply use this adapter, something like this. Okay, and there we are. The camera is nice and steady in place, like this. You see? Stable. Of course, I have to screw it better, something like that. Okay, beautiful. No? All right. So if I need to have my mobile, then I'm taking out the screw. Okay, this one it's out, And now let's see about our guy here. Well, is it ugly? Yes, it is. But it's working, and this is the most important thing. I believe it's solid enough. Okay, here we have the wires. All I have to do is just to put it back in place. Okay, this is done. And the top here for using my mobile. Well, I have to screw this better. But anyway, I can fix. It's playing a little bit. Why? Because of this. But I can change the angle and it's solid. And it's back to work. This is the most important thing. So this is the adapter I done. This is the new old lamp fixed. And I hope, like usually, I gave you some idea how to think your gears. That's it for today. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and of course, have fun. Bye bye.